Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. Okay? So our running topic is circle sum. What is our running topic, sir? Circles. Already 5 classes are completed. Now we are continuing the class. So see here, next question. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals 0, represent a circle with center 2, 3. Find g, f and its radius. We are finding which one, sir? G, f and its radius. Center is what is given, sir? 2, 3. Okay, na? So first solution is here. Given equation. What is the given equation, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals 0. This is the given equation. What is the center, sir? Center minus g comma minus f, sir. Center minus g comma minus f is equal to 2, 3 is given. Minus g comma minus f is equal to 2, 3. Minus g is equal to 2. Minus f is equal to 3m. Then g is equal to what is the value? Minus 2. F is equal to what is the value? Minus 3. G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 3m. So there is g value and f value completed. Find g comma f and its radius of. So radius means, so this given equation compare with which one, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 2. Radius. What is the radius of circle, sir? Under root of g square plus f square minus cm. G square plus f square minus c. That is nothing but under root of g square is equal to minus 2 square f square minus 3 square minus cm. C is equal to what is the value? Minus 12. Minus of minus 12. So there is nothing but under root of minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4. Minus 3 whole square is nothing but 9. Minus of minus 12 plus 12. Here 9 plus 4, 13 plus 12 under root of 25. Actually plus or minus 5, but radius is always positive. That's why we are taking plus 5. Here r is equal to what is the value, sir? 5. Radius of the circle is nothing but equal to, sir, 5. And g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Okay, now all of the this problem. Next one, continuation. If x square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals 0, represent a circle with center minus 4, minus 3. Then find g, f values. G, f values and the radius of the circle. Find g, f values and radius of the circle. See here. First, what is the given equation, sir? Here, given equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Center what is given, sir? Minus 4, minus 3. So center, okay na? Minus g, minus f. Okay na? So is equal to what is given, sir? Minus 4, minus 3. Here minus g is equal to minus 4, minus f is equal to minus 3. Here minus cancel, g is equal to what is the value, sir? 4. Here also minus cancel, f is equal to what is the value? 3. G, f values are there. Radius. What is the radius? Small r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus cm. G square plus f square minus c. Under root of g square, 4 square, f square, 3 square minus c. Here other is in our question c value. What is it, sir? This one compare with which one, sir? Under root x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. There is c value not there. That's why c equal to what is the value? 0. Radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Here minus 0. Under root of 4 square equal to 16. 3 square is equal to 9. Minus 0. 16 plus 9, 25. Here also radius equals 5 units. Radius is 5. All of right this one. See a next question continuation. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represent a circle with the radius 6, then find the value of cm. So with radius what is the value? 6, then find the value of c. So here radius is given, we are finding the value of which one, sir? C. See the solution. First, what is the given equation, sir? Here given equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. So compare with which one, sir? Compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This equation compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 4. 2f is equal to 6. C as it is, our c is equal to c. Now we are finding the c value. Here g is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is nothing but which one, sir? Minus 2. Here f is equal to 6 by 2. F is equal to what is the value? 3. G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to 3. C is equal to cm. So here radius. What is given, sir? Radius small r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to what is given, sir? 6 is given. Radius of circle is 6. This is equal to 6. Now we are substituting these values. Under root of g square minus 2 whole square plus f square. Here 3 square minus c is equal to 6. There is under root is there. So minus 2 whole square 4. 3 square is equal to 9 minus c is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, now we are doing squaring on both sides. Here there is nothing but here what we are getting, sir? 4 plus 9 minus c is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. 9 plus 4 plus 9 13 minus c is equal to 36. Therefore 13 minus 36 is equal to what is the value of c. Therefore c is equal to plus 13 minus 36. What is the value of minus 23. C is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 23. Understand? So what is the question, sir? Find the value of c. C is equal to which one, sir? Minus 23. So here x square plus y square, here minus 4x plus 6y minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay, na? All of right on this one. See the next question. See here, find the 11th question. Find the center and radius of each of circles whose equations are given below. I written only one problem. The remaining problems are there. So do the remaining problems homework. There are total 8 problems are there. Okay, now here what is our equations are? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 40y is equal to 0. Find which ones are center and radius. Both are we are finding center and radius. Okay, now first we are writing given equation compare with given equation compare with which one, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Given equation compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here this one 2g is equal to what is the value? Minus 4. 2f is equal to what is the value? Minus 8. C is equal to minus 41. So here g is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is nothing but minus 2. G is equal to which one, sir? Minus 2. Here 2f is equal to minus 8. F is equal to minus 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Here f is equal to what is the value? Minus 4. C is equal to minus 41 is there. Okay now? So first we are finding which one, sir? Center. Here center is equal to minus g comma minus f. That is nothing but minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus of minus 4 plus 4. Center is nothing but 2 comma 4. Here radius. Here radius is equal to, we have formula is there, small r is equal to the root of g square plus f square minus cm. This is nothing but radius. The root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay now? Under root of g square. G is equal to what is there? Minus 2 is there. Minus 2 whole square. F square. Here minus 4 whole square. Cm. C is equal to minus 41. Minus of minus 41 plus 41. So now we are doing continuation. Under root of minus 2 whole square. 2 square is equal to 4. Minus 4 whole square. 16. Here plus 41. Okay now? Here 4 plus 16. 20. 20 plus 41. And the root of 61. Radius. Radius small r is equal to under root of 61. Center is nothing but center is equal to 2 comma 4. Radius is equal to under root of 61. All of this one. Next is here remaining problems. 11th question asks is find the center and radius each of the circles whose equations are given below. First problem completed. Next second one. See the second problem. See here 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. See here second one. Here 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is not in the general form. What is the general form of the circle, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is not in that form. First we are dividing into 3 on both sides. We are dividing with 3 on both sides. That is nothing but 3x square by 3. 3y square by 3 minus 5 by 3 into x minus 6 by 3 into y plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0 by 2. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. Then x square plus y square minus 5 by 3 into x minus 6 by 3 into y. 6 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here minus 2y plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Now this one compare with which one, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to what is the value? Minus 5 by 3. 2f is equal to what is the value? Minus 2. C is equal to what is the value? 4 by 3. Here G is equal to minus 5 by 6. F is equal to what is the value? 2 by minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Here center is equal to center minus G comma minus L. Minus of minus 5 by 6. Here 5 by 6. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay now? Substitute radius of. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. There is g value is there, f value is there, and also c value. C is equal to 4 by 3 is there. We are substituting all the values in this formula. We get the which one, sir? Radius. So find the radius of the circle and also do the remaining problems. There are third problem same 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 12y minus 1 equal to 0. This one also first we are converting into the general form of the circle. How to convert, sir? Both sides dividing with 3. So this is already the general form is there. Next one 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is there. This is also first we are both sides dividing with which one, sir? 2. Next one 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This one also both sides dividing with 2 of. Next seventh one under root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0. So all of read this one. Find the center and radius of that circle. See here next question. So last one I am saying we do the remaining problems. So homework. What is the seventh question, sir? Here seventh question under root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mc into y is equal to 0. Okay now? Here what is the x square y square coefficient to? Under root of 1 plus m square. First here dividing with under root of 1 plus m square on both sides. So that is nothing but here we are getting x square plus y square minus 2c by under root of what is the value? 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square into y is equal to 0. So now this is in the general form of the circle. Compare with which one, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here 2g is equal to what is the value, sir? 2c by under root of 1 plus m square. Here 2 cancel. So 2g 2f is equal to minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square. 2 cancel. Center is equal to what is the formula, sir? Minus g comma minus f. Here minus of minus c plus m. C by under root of 1 plus m square minus f. Minus of minus plus m. Here mc by under root of 1 plus m square. Okay now? Center is nothing but c by under root of 1 plus m square comma mc by under root of 1 plus m square. Radius is equal to here radius the root of g square plus f square minus cm. Okay na? Here there is c value 0 is there. Compare with x square plus y square here 2g here c equal to what is the value, sir? 0. There is no constant value, that's why c equal to 0. G square plus f square minus c. So minus g, so g square is nothing but minus c by root of m square. That is nothing but g square is equal to c square by square root to cancel. Here 1 plus m square. That is nothing but g square. F square is equal to minus mc is there. That is nothing but here m square c square by square root to cancel. Here 1 plus m square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. Here LCM value 1 plus m square is the LCM. Here c square plus m square into c square. That is nothing but these two terms you can take common. C square is the common value. 1 plus m square by here 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square cancel. Under root of c square is equal to cm. Here radius is how much, sir? C. smaller, radius is equal to c, center is equal to c by under root of 1 plus m square, mc by under root of 1 plus m square. See, center and radius is which one, sir? C. Do the remaining problems, homework, come all of you. Okay. Next question, see the next question, 12th one. Find the equation of the circles for which the points are given below are the ends of diameter. So see here, what is the ends of the diameter, sir? See here, any chord passing through the center of the circle, that chord is called the diameter. So see here, this is a of x1 comma y1, here b of x2 comma y2. Here a comma b are the ends of the diameter. In that case, we are finding the equation of the circle. There are total 8 problems are there. I am saying the first problem. Do the remaining problems homework. See here, first problem. What is it, sir? 1 comma 2, 4 comma 6. First we are writing given points. What is the given points, sir? A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 4 comma 6. Okay, na? So the equation of the circle with a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 are the end points of the diameter. End points of the diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus here y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the formula. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. Here the 2 points are given. A is equal to 1 comma 2. That is nothing but x1 comma y1. B is equal to 4 comma 6. That is nothing but x2 comma y2. So just only we are substituting the values in that equation. We are getting the answer. Then x2 minus x1 is equal to 1. x2 minus x2. x2 is equal to 4 plus y minus y1. y1 is equal to 2. Here y2 is equal to 6 is equal to 0. Now this value is multiplying x into x square. X into minus 4 minus 4x minus 1 into x minus x plus 4 y into y square minus 6y minus 2y minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12 equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this one. X square plus y square. Here minus 4x minus x minus 5x minus 6y minus 2y minus 8y. Here 4 plus 12 16 is equal to 0. Here x square plus y square minus 5x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0 is the required circle. Is the required circle equation. Okay, now? So do the remaining problems as this homework comes. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Master should do the homework problems. So thank you, students. Next class will be continued tomorrow.